Hello. Today I just have a little something for you. It won't take very long, but it's actually interesting because it is the Oxygarum digestibile, more in Latin pronunciation, from Apicius. And what is it? It's a sauce, a spice that is supposed to help your digestion. And it was probably used for all kinds of things, in soups, in stews, but I even think it goes very nicely as a meat marinade. So let's now make this sauce that helps your digestion. What do we need? We need about 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. We need about 2 tablespoons of dried mint. 1 tablespoon each of cardamom and caraway, 1 bay leaf. Now comes the mysterious ingredient. The recipe calls for Gallic silphium. Now, unfortunately, we have no clue what Gallic silphium is, but most probably it's from the family of Apiaceae. And so it's related probably, well, it is the family of wild fennel, the same family. So I have taken now wild fennel. Anyways, as it's a digestive aid, this kind of herb actually makes sense. So I go for this one today. And then we have some honey and the indispensable fish sauce. Feel free to use soy sauce instead if you're not comfortable with fish sauce. Now what we have to do basically is to grind the whole thing up as smooth and finely as possible. Everything together. With mortar and pestle, or if you prefer, in a kitchen blender. And now we'll be working on this for a while. That should do. Now, to avoid too big pieces, we can pass the whole thing through a sieve. Especially the cardamom pods are really difficult to crush. If you have cardamom powder, that makes it much easier. Now that's it. Like that. Now we bind that whole thing with 1 tablespoon of honey, as you probably know if you followed my videos. The Romans loved their sweet and salty combinations. And then we add the salty fish sauce or soy sauce as well. Now, marinate your barbecue with it, put it into your soup, into your stew, mix it with your lentils, and it is supposed to be very well digestible.